Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add live search in your WordPress website by using the Elementor Pro. Let me show the demonstration what we're going to make in this video. So you can see that I have this search form here, and if I search something here, so it will show me the result like this. And if I click on this, it will take me to its single shop page. Okay, like this. And this is fully changeable according to you. Means if you want to change this layout, you can change this layout by very easily. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add such type of live search in your WordPress website by using the latest Elementor Pro. Okay, so let's start the video, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so you can see that for that we have to go to our dashboard. So let me get back to our dashboard, and after going to the dashboard, I have to go to the okay. So first, what you have to do, you have to go to the Elementor settings, and in the settings you have to active the features option, and in the features option you have to just activate the search here. So by default, if you install the latest version of the Elementor, it is not active, so you have to just go and make it active. And also you have to active some other things, like you have to active the nested elements, and you have also want to active the flexbox container and this. Okay, so you have to just activate this flexbox container, and you have to activate the this option, the new search option. Okay, so it is in the beta version right now. Okay, so let's start the video, and we're gonna make this from scratch. Okay, so for making this, first what we have to do, let's go to our pages, and in the pages we have to add a new page where we're gonna implement this form. Okay, where we're gonna implement this search form. Okay, so let me add a new page here. Okay, so let me add this here. Let me add a name here, live search form, and here we have to choose the element of full width, and we have to publish this page. Okay, so let's publish this page, and after that what we have to do, we have to go to the here, and here we have to open this in a new page. So let me get back to this, and here we have to click on this edit option. Okay, so when this is clicked, so you have to go to the edit with Elementor. Okay, so let's edit this page with the Elementor, and I'm gonna remove all the pages from here, so we have this fresh installation. Okay, so let me open my home page where I have this live search right now. Okay, so you can see that when I click on this, and if it don't have anything, so it will show me a warning like this. It seems we can't find. So you can see that if it has a don't, it will show me some warnings. Okay, so for making this, we have to just go here, and we have to search here, search. So just drag and drop this widget here, and after that you can see that it has the full width. So but we don't want to show the full width. So for that we have to go to the padding option, and we have to remove all the padding. Just add the 80 to the top and 80 to the below. Then after that click on this search form, and after that we have to go to the widget option from the advanced, and here you have to go to the custom option, and from here just keep its size to 40. And after that, you have to make this in the center. So for making this in the center, we have to go to the container and go to the layout, and from here choose this center and center. So it will be automatically in the center. Okay, so and also if you want to add a text here, suppose this is for the demonstration purpose. So let me add here live search form like this. Okay, then after that let's go here, and here you can see that if I click on this, I have so many options here. Suppose if you want to change the inside, so here you can see that search search your product. So you can write it here in the placeholder what you want to show here in the search, and after that this is the auto complete option. And also if you want to add any icons here, suppose I want to add any icon here, I can go here and add this icon, so it will be show me here. But I don't want to add any icon, so I will choose the none option. And here you can see that for this option also you can add some icons. Suppose if you add enter something, and then you can see that here it's coming the icon. So if you want to change this icon, you can go here and change this icon too. Okay, so after that you have to set here. So we have to set here both, means when we click on this, it will automatically show us the values below. Okay, then after that here you can also change this button text. So here you can set it anything, search any, okay, like this. And you can also choose here any icon. So if you want to choose here any icon, so we have to go to the icon library, and here you can search for search, and let me choose this. So you can see that we have this search icon here also. Okay, and for the result, for making it show the live result, we have to make a template for that. So right now I have this old one which is using here, but I'm gonna show you how to make this from scratch. Okay, so for that we don't wanna gonna choose this template here. Okay, so after that you can see that we have the all the sources. Suppose you want to show all the results, so like that, here you can see that if I click on this home, so if my website contain the home page, so it will also show me that one also. So and suppose if you don't want to show all the things in the search result, then you have to choose here the specific item. Suppose if you want to show only the products, then you can choose here the product. So whenever you will do anything here, so it will show only the products. Okay, so for right now we want to show all the information, or let's choose the products only. Okay, so our live search is ready, just we have to make the template now. Okay, so for making the template, what you have to do, you have to just go to the template option, and from here go to the theme builder, and after that going to the theme builder, let's wait for it to open, and after that you have to go to the loop items, and here you can see that I have this old loop, but we're gonna make the new loop, which will show here when we search something like that. Here you can see that when I search something, it will show me this one, but we're gonna make our own new one. Okay, so for making this we have to just go here, and here you can see that. So right now you can see that I have this blackish one, and also so you can change this layout according to you. So let's choose the two section layout, and for right now we're gonna make this little red, so for making the difference in the two. Okay, so let's make this red, and you can make any layout here according to you, whatever you want to make this here. Okay, so let's make this like this, and after that we have to go to the image option, and from here we have to drag and drop this image. So this image will show us our, so here we have to choose the featured image, and after choosing the featured image you can see that we don't have any preview here, because for that we have to do something. So let me go first, and here we're gonna choose the text, and for this we have to go to the we have to go to this option. Okay, and from here we have to choose the post title option. Okay, from the, okay, then after that you can see that this come, then after that we have to make this white and make this center, and also we're gonna change its font size to 25 pixel. Okay, so right now you can see that we don't having this image here. So for getting the image we have to go to the preview, and we from the preview we have to choose the product, and here let's suppose I'm going to choose in the egg. So you can see that we have the result, and we have to apply in preview. Okay, so after applying the preview, here you can see that I have this image here comes. So right now you can see that this image is very big. So we have to make this image a little bit smaller. So for that we have these two containers. So for the first container which contain the image, I'm going to choose this 20 pixel. And for the second container which contain the text, we're going to choose it 80 pixel. Okay, so let's go to the container here. Here we're going to make it center and center. So everything will be in the center. And you can also, okay, so you can see that our loop is ready. So let's publish this, and we're gonna choose this loop here. So we have to just refresh our form page. Okay, so let's refresh our form page, and we have to just choose that loop. From here it will show our result in that layout. Okay, so just we have to click on this widget, and after clicking on this widget we have to go to the result option, and here you have to just search for this loop. So right now you can see that this is the name with elemental loop. If you want to replace this name also, you can go here, and let's type here new search, then publish. Then after that you have to just go here, and you have to just refresh it again one more time, your live search page, because so it will load that new name here. Okay, so let's wait for it to open, and after that here you can see that when we click on the search form, then we have to go to the result option, and here we have to choose the search, and after that we have this new search template here. Okay, so here you can see that how many things you want to show here, and how many columns are there, and how many items you have to show at once. So you have all this option here for the customization. Okay, then after that we have the query option where you can choose which result you want to show, and after that here in the search field you can also change the placeholder color and all. Okay, so this is fully changeable according to you, all the colors you can change here. Okay, so you have to just to go here from all of this for the better understanding. Okay, then after that we have this clear option, what icon you want to give the font color of this icon and all. Then we have the submit button. If you want to change its color, you can go here and change its color to like that. Okay, then after that we have all this option, and in the result here we have Also we have the option to, so suppose let's write here fresh, so it will show me the result like this. So you can see that all the results are coming here, and if you want to change this background color of the result, you can go here and change it like this. Okay, so this is fully changeable according to you. Okay, so let's publish this, and we have to do one more thing. So let's first go to and let's view this page. Okay, then for that we have to go here and we have to click here from. Okay, let me click on this view page. So after clicking on this, you can see that we have this live search, and when we search something, it will show me the result in this template layout. Okay, so right now you can see that when I hover on this, we are not redirecting to that link. So for adding the link, what we have to do, we have to just go to this here title, and here from here you have to go to the dynamic tags, and from the dynamic tag you have to go to the post URL. Okay, then after that, if let's publish this again, and after that we have to just refresh our front end of the page. So you can see that when we click on this fresh, so it will show me the result, and when I click on this, you can see that it has the link on it also. Okay, so you can see that in the latest version of the Elementor, we have this live search result form, which is awaited from many years. So finally, Elementor has released its version with this update. Okay, so I hope you understand how to implement this live search form in your WordPress website by using the power of the Elementor. Okay, okay, so if you like our video, you can subscribe to our channel if you're new, and I'm gonna see you next time with an awesome video like this.